Hello again, gang, and thank you so much for tuning in. We are combining like terms, and we're going to be doing this with geometric applications. So let's see what the directions say first. Give the perimeter of each figure as a simplified expression. Okay, perimeter, that's important. We find the perimeter by adding all sides. So in case you didn't know that, well, actually the figures change. So I'm going to say add all sides. So if you want to find the perimeter of anything, you're going to add all your sides. So the first thing we want to do is write out all the sides of our shapes. Here's our first side. Here's our second side. Here's our third side. Okay, now we've got an expression that has some like terms. And in order for this to be simplified, I need to combine those like terms. So I have a positive 2x, a positive 1x, and a positive 3x. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. X. My constant doesn't have a like term, so I'm just going to bring it down. Let's look at our second figure here. Our first side is 17 minus a. Our second side is a positive 4ab. And our third side is a positive 5a minus 1. Let's look for some like terms. I see that I have kind of a weird circle square, but a negative 1a and a positive 5a. So if I put those together, 5 minus 1 gives me 4a. So far, so good. Like terms. Don't have any like terms for this guy, so I'm just going to bring him down. And then I have a positive 17 and a negative 1. And when you add those together, you get a positive 16. Not too bad. Okay. So they might not have listed all the sides here, but I know that rectangles have the same sides that are opposite. So I know I can assume that this is 3y minus 5, which means I can also assume that this is y plus 2. Just because they only listed two sides doesn't mean that you shouldn't assume that they are the same because it's a rectangle. So let's add them all up. 3y minus 5 plus y plus 2 plus 3y minus 5 plus y plus 2. I see all those like terms. Let's put them together. We have 3y, positive 1y, 3y, positive 1y, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus another 4 will give me 8y. All right. Then we have our constant terms, which is the number without the variable. So we have negative 5, positive 2, negative 5, positive 2. If you put that in your calculator, you're going to get negative 6. Very nice. One more to go. For this last figure, let's write all of our sides, since some of them look like they're different, and then we'll combine all of our like terms. I'm going to start right here. K squared plus k plus 2k squared minus 17 plus k squared plus k plus k squared again minus 9k plus 23. Whoa, that's a lot of terms. Let's look for the ones with the same variable and exponent part. K squared, that's what's jumping out at me first. Here's one. Here's one. Another one. All right. So I have 1 plus 2, which will give me 3, 4, 5k squared. All right, let's look for my k's. 1 here, 2 minus 9 would give me negative 7k. And I need my green. Negative 17 and positive 23 would give me positive 6. And we're done. Thanks again for tuning in, guys.